Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Helpertech. So I just wanted to take a quick minute today and speak to you about one of our most popular repair services, and that is the repair of a broken screen, like the iPhone you see here. Very common. A lot of people have issues with dropping their phones and they crack that screen. Like I said, it is our most popular service that we offer. However, broken screen repair on an iPhone is not the only service that we can do. We also can repair your broken screen on your tablet or on your laptop as well. So a lot of people think we're just a phone repair shop, but that is not the case. Also, we have a lot of Apple logos and it is our primary business. However, we can also fix a broken screen on an Android device, such as a Samsung or a Motorola. Or again, if you've got other devices such as a smartwatch, we can fix the broken screens on those as well. So if you are in need of a repair, regardless of the device type, but again, if you currently have a broken screen on your device, why don't you give us over here at Helpertech a call? We can get you a price quote, let you know how long it's going to take, and get that device back up and running. You're going to be able to save a lot of money repairing that broken screen compared to replacing the device. So again, if you're interested in finding out what repair options we have for you, you can give us a call. We've got 2 locations. We have one in Eagan and one in Burnsville. So again, why don't you give us a call, 651-605-2570, or you can reach us on helpertech.com. Thanks for your time, everybody, and I hope